Boom! Crunch! Shapes? Greetings. I am Monster D. Would you like to play the shape game with me? Have you ever played the shape game before? Do you like shapes? How about we begin and see what happens? Let me get my trusty marker out here. And how about we start with a simple shape? There we go. What shape do you think I'm going to begin with? What is that? What shape is that? Have you seen that before? Does it have any corners or edges? Is it round? Is it a circle? Circle, huh? Well, I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to turn it into some other kind of picture. If you have seen me play my scribble game, you get the idea, but instead of a scribble, of course, a solid shape like this circle. Okay? So here we go. What can I possibly turn this into? What would you turn this circle into if you could? Let me think. How about I'll add another, almost like a circle there, and then something like that. What do you think this is going to be? What kinds of games do you like to play at home? Do you play any other games that involve shapes? Do you like to play any other games that involve drawing? Any idea what that might be yet? So where do you see circles in this world, in life? Where do you see circles at, huh? Do you see circles very often? Alright. Almost done. Any idea what that is? I was trying to draw an ant. A very large ant. How about that? Do you like ants? You know I like insects, right? I had to do at least one insect, right? So it was a circle and now it is an ant. Shall I draw another shape? What shall we do now? How about we do this? We do we do 1, 2, 3. What shape is that? Have you seen that shape before? Did you hear me counting? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is that shape with the 3 points and the 3 sides? Is it a triangle? Triangle, huh? What shall I turn the triangle into? What do you think? I think I might have an idea here. How about I add a little red? Let's see. Do you like triangles? Let's see here. Does that look like anything you might know yet? What do you think? Let's see here. Look at all familiar? Is this by chance making you hungry? There we go. So what is that? What does that look like? Does that look like something you've seen before? Still looks like a triangle, huh? Is that a kind of food? What kind of food is that? Is it a taco? Is that spaghetti and meatballs? Is that pizza? Pizza, huh? Pizza slice. Is a pizza slice triangular? Have you ever had a triangular slice of pizza before? Have you ever had pizza that is another shape besides a triangle? What other shapes do pizza slices come in? What do you think? Well, shall I do one more shape? Alright, what shape shall I do? How about we do 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that shape? With the 4 sides and the 4 corners. Is that a square? What can we do with a square? What shall I turn that into? How about we go with something else a little familiar here? Where do you see squares in real life? Do you have any squares in your house right now? Is there a square that you might have somewhere that you put things in? Or do you have maybe a square that you stand or sit on? Have you ever seen a square outside in the woods somewhere? Or do you only see squares at home or perhaps in towns or places where people live? Speaking of which, what does that look like? How about I add a little bit of color right there, and I could probably make this a little bigger. So what is that? Is this a house? Are houses square? Do you know of any houses that are a different shape besides a square? What is the shape of your house? Have you ever looked? What do you think? Sometimes I just want to keep going. Could do a little bird flying in the distance. There we go. So we did some shapes. The shape game. Did you enjoy that? Are you going to try to play the shape game at home? Perhaps with a friend or a loved one? Well, I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope that you stay monstrous, and won't you please give me a nice monster bing?